there, and welcome to the first episode of Paint.net Tips. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make gradient text like the one I've previously done here. This is a very easy, simple way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. So, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to need to make a new Paint.net file. This can be anything you desire, and we're going to just do it again, but to make it a bit bigger. Now we have a good bit of canvas. So now you've done this, you're going to want to go ahead and use the text tool. I recommend 72 just to get us started, and type the text you want it to be gradiented. As you can see, mine's currently in red. I'm just going to make it black so we can do it easier. So as you can see, we now have some black Hello World text. Now this isn't a gradient like we want, and there's no way to gradient in the colours palette, which isn't exactly ideal. However, there is a method you can use. Now as you can see, in our toolbox there is a gradient tool, but if we try and do our colours, in this case we're going to do orange and red, so we're going to go red to orange. If we try, it just gradients the entire thing, which is not quite what we're trying to do. So we're going to undo that, and we're going to move on to the next step. So once you have your two colours selected as you want to, go ahead and click the magic wand tool. Zoom in slightly if you wish, using Ctrl and plus and Ctrl and minus, and then hold shift and click on one of the letters of the text. This will select all of the text, which is exactly what we want. Because it's all black, it will get selected. Now we go back over to our gradient tool, grab from one corner of the page to the other, and we press Ctrl to select all, and as you can see we have gradient text. It may not be very visible, so we can redo the whole thing to test it again. We're going to use a yellow for our second colour instead this time, and as you can see we made gradient text just like the one in the example. Thank you very much for watching Paint.net Tips episode 1. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.